Want to know what the best website is for photographers? Well, keep watching to find out what that website is. Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the best website builders for photographers, and one that stands out is Squarespace. Squarespace is a friendly website builder that offers a variety of templates specifically for photographers. First thing about Squarespace, templates. Squarespace offers a range of templates that are visually stunning and specifically designed for photographers. These templates allow you to showcase your images in an attractive and professional manner, making it easy to create a stunning online portfolio. E-commerce capabilities. Squarespace also offers e-commerce capabilities, so you can sell your photos on the website as well. And this is a great feature for photographers who want to monetize their work and reach a wider audience. Mobile responsive. With more and more people using their mobile phones to browse the web, it's important for your website to be mobile friendly. Squarespace offers mobile friendly templates, so your website will look great on any device. Customization options. Squarespace gives you the flexibility to create a website that reflects your specific brand. SEO optimization. Squarespace is SEO friendly, so it can be optimized for search engines like Google, so it makes it easier for potential clients to find you. If you would like a website like Squarespace, you can contact me on any of my social medias that will be popping up here or somewhere on the screen if you would like me to create a website for you using Squarespace to promote your business. So in conclusion, Squarespace is a great option for photographers who want to create a visually stunning and professional looking website. With its user-friendly interface, e-commerce capabilities, mobile responsiveness, customization options, and SEO optimization. So Squarespace is a perfect option for you to showcase your work and reach a wider audience. And there you have it, a few reasons why I think Squarespace is one of the best websites you can use if you're a photographer to create a visually appealing website for your brand. But thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one and for more photography tips and tricks.